All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is CYTR. This was requested over on YouTube. Currently trading at 44 cents. As soon as I pull up this chart, like I always say, I kind of get like my good idea as soon as I pull it up of what I'm going to be looking at. Doesn't look like we've went through this in the past. I'm not going to go back in the history of this chart. I want to stick right here in the short term of what we're going to be looking at. One thing that stands out at me right away is the fact that the 30-day simple moving average is a huge part of CYTR. Right here, you see what happens. It bounces off of there, boom, comes back up to it, made it through, and the 10-day simple moving average became a brief support line, and then the 20-day, and then the 30-day falls through there. The 20-day simple moving average becomes a resistance level, and the 30-day becomes a support. Couldn't hold that 30-day, fell back down over here to give you that 44-cent mark back in December. Basically went through all the way like that, got through the 10-day simple moving average, which would have been its next level of 20-day simple moving average. Making your way up, you got through the 30-day. So that tells me right then and there that that bear trend over here has definitely been confirmed to switch over, and you can see that taking a look down there at the RSI. You see this turnaround, getting through the 30-day. That 30-day simple moving average became a support level. You got the 10-day underneath it. I would assume that the 20-day is going to follow up behind it. I personally think right now is a very good time to watch this one. I think that the potential here is up. That is my personal opinion. 44 cents CYTR. I would like to see this 30-day simple moving average hold. If it doesn't, you will be down here at the 41 mark. I believe that if everything keeps going the way that I've been seeing it here for the last month, I personally believe you're going to bounce off that 30-day simple moving average and start your next leg up. That's all I have for CYTR.
All right, so they are aldrorubicin is a rationally engineered cytotoxic which combines doxorubicin, a widely used chemotherapeutic agent, with a novel linker molecule that binds directly and specifically to circulating albumin, the most abundant protein in the bloodstream. Protein-hungry tumors concentrate albumin, which facilitates the delivery of the linker molecule with the attached dirosine to the tumor sites in the acidic environment of the tumor, but not the neutral environment of the healthy tissues. So I mean, they're basically going on. They're obviously. Oh, you know what? That's what I was doing wrong. I basically read the wrong thing. That's the about aldrubicin. That's one of their products. Basically, their latest press release was on January 4th, and it was CYTRX granted Type B pre-NDA meeting with the U.S. FDA for registration pathway with aldrubicin as treatment for patients with relapsed soft tissue sarcomas, and that was on the 4th. So I basically was thinking I was reading about the company. I just kind of when you're pulling things up too fast, that's basically what happened right there. So, CYTRX Corporation is a biopharmaceutical research and development company specializing in oncology. CYTRX currently is focused on the clinical development of aldrorubicin, its improved version of the widely used chemotherapeutic agent doxorubicin. CYTRX is also expanding its pipeline of oncology candidates at its laboratory facilities in Freiburg, Germany, through its LADR linker activated drug release technology platform, a discovery engine designed to leverage CYTRX's expertise in albumin. Yeah, that's a tongue twister. Albumin biology and linker technology for the development of a new class of anti-cancer therapies. So that's generally what they do. They're on the NASDAQ as well. So this right here, I mean, they have the overview of the updated phase 3 trial results as well within this press release. So I mean, it's something you probably want to go take a look at. I'll put a link over here in the stream. Because I mean, that right there, it's pretty much they're thinking that they're gonna apply for the NDA with the FDA at the, let's see, they're going to submit the NDA or they're planning, expects to submit it in the last quarter of 2017 and subject to FDA approval to bring aldrasrubicin to market next year. So, I mean, this could be something that you're finding at like a really good price, but it could be, you never know. You really need to go and look at their filings, see where they stand financially, if they need to, obviously, sell shares and whatnot. So that's all I have to offer, David.
All right. Again, that is CYTR. If you're following this one, head over to investorshangout.com. And if you're interested in the live stream, investorshangout.com/live.